Tapos na po ako magbakbak. So, ano na po yung mga pwede kong gamitin pagkatapos kong gumamit ng CeraSe Peel Exfoliate Set. Ito po kasing si Peel X, guys, is an exfoliating set. So, peel, dahil nakakabakbak po talaga siya, and exfoliate kasi talagang i-exfoliate or tatanggalin niya po yung ating old skin. Naglagay kami ng 4 products inside. May toner ka dyan, but since peeling nga po yung toner, pwede mo na siyang i-replace with Everglass. So, gagamitin mo lang siya with a cotton pad or even with your hands. And yung soap, guys, dito sa Peel X, since 130 grams naman siya, hindi nyo siya mauubos agad. Pwede nyo po yung i-maintain din, but if not, pwede na po kayo mamili sa aming mga sabon kasi 7 klase yan. So yan, while waiting for your skin to dry, i-ready mo na yung susunod mong step dyan dahil, syempre, walang iba kundi ang ating pangmalakasang Poreless White Glow Serum. This is our best-selling, guys. It's a multi-purpose product because it's whitening, anti-acne, soothing, tightening, and brightening already. So you can replace yung inyo pong night cream with this one. So, after nito, guys, pwede na po kayong mag-MGH. Meron po itong properties kung saan napapakalma niya yung redness. Since kakapil ng skin exposed, yung new layer ng ating balat, kailangan nyo mag-sun milk or mag-maintain nitong ating Kakadu sunscreen. Actually, ang pinagkaiba lang naman po talaga nila is yung kanilang finish and application because this one right here, makikita nyo, gel po siya. And ito namang si ating Kakadu sunscreen is may tone up po siya. Ganyan po yung finish ni ating Kakadu sunscreen. So, as you can see right here, parang mas brighter ng complexion ko dito kasi nga po may tone up effect siya. Ayan. And ganito naman po yung finish ng ating Sun Milk. Meron akong pimple dyan. So, as you can see, meron po yung konting blurring effect and as well as dewy, glowy finish but not sticky. Kaya i-save nyo tong video na to kasi yan yung mga pwede nyo gamitin after nyo na po magbakbak.